Hey guys, I'm Peter, a 15-year-old hobbyist game dev and content creator. When I first opened the project, I was quite impressed, but my main concern besides the thousands of warnings in the console was the lack of explanation for these items that I seem to be picking up, which is what I decided to spend most of my time improving. From reading into the code, I did figure out what they all did, but some needed balancing to make them more fun. Perhaps watching the previous videos would have been smart, but it's a bit late now. Most of my issues came from the descriptions, which I got to calculate the item's combined effects and display that in colour. It's definitely not my proudest work, but having seen some of the other scripts, I think I could have done worse. Besides that though, I did have a few UI related complaints, but I don't really want to be the guy to redo everything for the 50th time, so I only made a few minor tweaks, most notably adding an indicator for the special abilities and fixing some placeholder art. Even though I was given 3 whole days to work on the project, I do happen to have this thing called school which kind of got in the way, so that was all from me. Huge thanks to Blackthornprod for this opportunity, and if you liked my changes, be sure to come check out my main project Arbanier. Best of luck to all the remaining devs.